remember sometime last month when the Mara got
Wato,
flooded.
that's a wato.
Yeah, Pumba.
I love how you say that.
That's a wato. You see, it's like a wild
Warthog.
It's
That's
a wild.
So you know Timon and Pumbaa? That's Timon.
I don't know what those are.
It's
From
like
Lion
a wild
King.
pig.
Wow.
Wild pig.
Like, you know, it's
But it has.
Enjoying the retirement, and they're very aggressive, very mean.
You hear that?
So they're no longer with the herd,
These are the most dangerous things if you left here.
and they're just enjoying their
You have to
retirement.
run for
Yeah.
the tallest tree.
So
You
what-
see here, there's
The
no tall
herd
tree.
protects them, right?
No, they can no longer stay with the herd because they've been kicked out by the young and strong bulls, so they're just by themselves. Normally
So
they,
these are all retiring. So
Yeah.
the stronger bulls have kicked
But
them
like
out.
all old people, we're mean.
So they were.
Asra, kuja ulor kulu wako na harusi. Hapa hii mbogani tu hapa ndipo bwana. Kwa nini? Unakuja kama unakuja hapa kwa mto. Hii bypass hii yao. Hii barabara ya mtoni hii.
Oh my God. The one was so close.
Ya pale.
I knew the woman was going to be.
Tukia tu.
I know.
Kutoka barabara.
Akibosi wachana.
Kwa kuya fai. No, this guy. Huyu jamaa amekaribia. Amekaribia huyu jamaa.